Power off. Unplug the power cord. Take the tube out of the filament tube hub. Unscrew the 2 screws that fix the tool head data cable. Unplug the tool head data cable. Remove the tool head back cover. Unplug the wiring. Unscrew the 2 screws that fix the extruder rear shell. Take out the extruder rear shell. Unplug all the wiring on the Hotend board. Unscrew the 2 screws that fix the Hotend board. Remove the old Hotend board. Install the new Hotend board and tighten the 2 fixing screws. Insert the wiring. Put the extruder rear shell back. Tighten the 2 fixing screws. Insert the wiring. Put the tool head back cover back. Insert the tool head data cable. Tighten the 2 fixing screws. Snap the tube into the filament tube hub.